In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on eBay without getting scammed. When you're shopping on eBay, it's important to slow down and review the listing carefully before you buy. A few quick checks can help you avoid misleading listings and make better purchasing decisions. First, select the product you're interested in. Start by opening the listing and making sure it's actually the item you want. This sounds simple, but it's one of the most important parts of shopping safely online. Some listings can look similar at a glance, especially if there are multiple versions of the same product, so take a moment to confirm you're on the correct item page before moving forward. Next, examine the images closely. Product photos can reveal a lot about the listing. Look through all available pictures and pay attention to the condition of the item, the packaging, and whether the photos seem clear and consistent. If the item is supposed to be new, the images should reflect that. If it's used, the pictures should help you spot wear, damage, or missing parts. Good images usually indicate that the seller is being transparent, while vague or limited photos may be a reason to be more cautious. After that, check the seller ratings. This is one of the best ways to judge whether a seller is trustworthy. Look at their feedback score and overall rating to get a sense of their reputation. A strong history of positive reviews can give you more confidence, especially if they've completed many sales. It's a good habit to verify this before purchasing, because even a great-looking listing is only as reliable as the person selling it. Then, review the shipping and returns policy. This part is easy to skip, but it matters a lot. Check how long shipping will take, whether tracking is included, and what the return terms are. If the item arrives damaged, incorrect, or not as described, a clear return policy can make the process much easier. Understanding these terms in advance helps you know what to expect and reduces the chances of unpleasant surprises after checkout. Finally, check the item description from the seller. Read it carefully from top to bottom. The description often includes the exact condition, what's included in the purchase, and any defects or limitations you should know about. This section can confirm whether the item matches the photos and title. If anything feels unclear, incomplete, or inconsistent, that's a sign to pause and review the listing more carefully. By selecting the right product, examining the images, checking seller ratings, reviewing shipping and returns, and reading the item description, you can shop on eBay more confidently and reduce the risk of getting scammed.